Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best full tower PC cases. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Rosewill Gaming ATX Full Tower Computer Case. I could call this list complete only after the inclusion of Rosewill. Above its features is an excellent cooling performance. 2 fans guard the interior when one is at the top, another one at the side, and finally one at the rear side. You can also install, there's space for that, another one at the bottom, not to forget just behind the motherboard to increase cooling. The Rosewill Gaming ATX case has aesthetics that will perfectly blend with your home or office decor. A rock-solid construction is sure to last a lifetime, while the screwless design adds to its easy installation features. Also, to take note of is the cost-effective pricing. This is a go-for type named after the brave hero, Rosewill Thor. Here are more features. Moving on at number 9, we have the NZXT H510 Compact ATX PC Gaming Case. The NZXT H510 features a removable radiator bracket alongside other key features that draws you closer every day. It's easy to connect your smartphone to the computer using the case's front I/O USB port, Type-C. Its side panel is made of tempered glass that involves a foolproof installation using a single screw. A proper cooling mechanism is also included to help in optimizing the machine's functionality. The presence of 4 fans can explain this better. The H series of this case is often loved by customers en masse, and this is an improved version. It also supports a water cooling system, either closed loop or custom loop. Multiple customer reviews on Amazon are support proofs for the quality of this PC case. Here are more features. At number 8, we have the Cougar Master HAF 912 computer case. If you need a killer cooling case, the Cougar Master has all the potential. 6 fans make sure that the temperature in the interior is at the best level for the optimal performance of your computer. 2 120mm external radiators can be added to the case. It also has the best quality CPU coolers installed. The front I/O gives straightforward access to the internal using your phone and a wide range of other devices, as well. If you have other personal things with you while using your computer, you can place them at the spacious and safe top of the case. Coming at a cost-effective price, the Cougar Master case will save you money while serving you ultimately. At number 7, we have the Thermaltake V200 PC computer case. Would you love a PC tower for its colorful lighting system? If yes, here is your friend. The product features 16 different lighting modes. The Mode 1 lighting is an RGB lighting system. Mode 2 to 8 features 7 colors from red to purple, and Mode 3 to 15 lighting systems feature another 7 different colors. The last mode, Mode 16, is activated when the power is off. There's a 4mm tempered glass side window that's very durable and is resistant to both wear and tear. Cable management is enhanced in the interior by the hollow PSU cover. Take a look at other features in the next section. At number 6, we have the Phanteks Enthoo Pro. The Phanteks Enthoo Pro comes at number 6 on my list. What impressed me the most about it is a strong build-up. The case is made of aluminum to ensure an extended stay and resistance to scratch, not to forget a gorgeous look. Cable management is maximized inside it, as well. Although the cost is quite elevated, the product is worthwhile. You will get the chance to operate your device without noise. It gives you effortless accessibility to its fans as well as dust filters so that you can easily DIY replace them in case of any problems. Its PSU and HDDs are hidden well. The installation of radiators is simplified. There are also powerful magnetic dist filters in the case, together with reservoir mounts. Read about more features below. At number 5, we have the InWin GROne Black Sleek SECC ATX case. Contemporary and innovative goes the manufacturing company's tagline. This comes true when you take a look at the GROne model of the company's PC case. A full view window that lets you peep the inside of the case gives you the chance to enjoy all the gaming presentations of your PC's case. Installation of the optical drives is made simple with the removable bay. Liquid cooling radiators can be accommodated. Cooling is also taken to another level as the case can support a maximum of 10 fans. The toll-free 3.5-inch drive bay makes the installation of drives as simple as 123. The package has a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee as well as a full month's warranty. At number 4, we have the Cougar Panzer Max Ultimate Full Tower Gaming Case. Panzer Max is one of the few artfully made CP cases with every user in mind. Again, it looks attractive but very professional inside. You've got the freedom to add 6 different motherboards and gives you space to install up to 6 storage devices as well. You can imagine the space your files will enjoy. As you use your PC, it will stay cool, with the recommended airflow and 6 fans all available to combat the heat. The design is impressive and matches the setup of your office or home. It is built in a military metallic style lender with a side window. More features include a keyboard tray to bring more convenience as it adds to the beauty. 2 handles also make the portability more convenient. And there are even more features. At number 3, we have the DarkFlash Phantom Black ATX Tower Case. People who love DIY products have found their darling at number 3. DarkFlash gives you the opportunity to disintegrate and again build it without any tools. An efficient cooling system is another feature as the product comes with 6 pre-installed fans. Also, a fan RGB control and a reset button make your work easier than with other cases. I love the RGB lighting and the fact that the DarkFlash leaves it displayed via the 3 tempered glass screens. The inside of this case is highly spacious. Cables neatly pass through the components, and you can see their neat arrangement via the tempered glass screens on 3 out of the 4 sides of the tower. Airflow is maximum, and the case produces minimal sound when the machine is at work. At number 2, we have the Lian Li011 Dynamic XL Tower Case. This is the best version of the 011 Dynamic series. It's one of the biggest CPU towers that have maximum cooling capacities. In fact, it's the largest of all on this list. The front and left side of this case is made of tempered glass while the top, as well as right sides, are made of aluminum. The Dynamic XL Tower Case can carry up to 10 to 12 centimeters fans. The silver color will impress your vision each time, all day long. Li011 supports 4 3.0 USB ports plus another 3.1 USB port. There's a warranty for 30 days such that when the item bought is dead on arrival, you can return it for a return without any questions asked. And finally at number 1, we have the Corsair Crystal Series 680 XRGB Tower Case. Finally, the Corsair wins. For cooling, Corsair has 4 to 120 mm cooling fans, included, plus an airflow path that leads air into your compartment's hot parts. There are also 3 included LL120 RGB fans that despite just cooling the compartments, they also illuminate the system with 48 lights. It has a dual-chamber design, one of which takes care of the cable arrangement, PSU storage, and drive mounting. This panel has a side door. The door is made of clear, tempered glass material for viewing the components. You can also view the contents from the front and/or top of the compartment as they also have transparent tempered glasses. I also like the machine for its low sound while during the event.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.